Carbon monoxide, otherwise referred to as CO, is a dangerous gas that you can't see or smell. It's made when things like cars, stoves, or furnaces burn fuel. It's really important to know the signs of being affected by this gas and take steps to keep your home safe. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. When you breathe in too much carbon monoxide, it can make you feel like you have the flu. This might cause headaches, dizziness, feeling weak, upset stomach, throwing up, chest pain, or feeling confused. In serious situations, breathing in a lot of carbon monoxide can make you pass out or, in the worst cases, can be deadly. Some people, like babies, older folks, or those already sick, can get very sick from breathing in even a little bit of carbon monoxide. To keep your home safe from carbon monoxide, do these things. Install a carbon monoxide detector. Put battery-powered carbon monoxide detectors in good spots in your home. Put a reminder to check or change the detector batteries, and do it at the right time. Think about getting a detector that shows carbon monoxide levels digitally for more information. Annual servicing of appliances. Schedule annual servicing by a qualified technician for your heating system, water heater, and any other gas, oil, or coal-burning appliances. Avoid indoor use of certain appliances. Avoid using gas or kerosene heaters that don't have a way for the fumes to escape. If you smell something from your gas fridge, get help from an expert to stop CO from leaking. Never cook or warm things up using a grill inside, even if you put it in a fireplace. Select certified gas equipment. Purchase gas equipment with the seal of a national testing agency, such as Underwriters Laboratories. Proper ventilation for gas appliances. Make sure there's enough fresh air for gas appliances and that pipes letting out fumes are put in the right way to stop carbon monoxide from leaking. Don't shut the damper in the fireplace unless the fire is entirely out and the coals are not hot anymore. Chimney maintenance. Have your chimney checked or cleaned annually to avoid blockages that could lead to carbon monoxide buildup. Caution with gas ranges and ovens. Never use a gas range or oven for heating, as it can result in carbon monoxide accumulation indoors. Avoid burning charcoal indoors. Do not burn charcoal indoors, as it releases carbon monoxide, posing a risk to your health. Generator safety. Never use a generator inside your home, basement, or garage. Keep it at least 20 feet away from windows, doors, or vents. Preventing carbon monoxide poisoning from vehicles. Regular exhaust system checks. Have a mechanic inspect your vehicle's exhaust system annually to prevent carbon monoxide leaks. Repair exhaust leaks immediately. Avoid running vehicles in enclosed spaces. Never run your car or truck inside an attached garage, even with the garage door open. Don't sit in a parked vehicle with the engine running for a long period of time, especially if your car is in snow. Don't swim or play near the back of a boat where the motor gives off exhaust. General carbon monoxide poisoning prevention tips. If you suspect carbon monoxide poisoning, call emergency number and get medical attention immediately. Learn about the risks and preventive measures to protect yourself and your family from this silent killer. If you learn about these safety tips and follow them, you can make sure your home and cars are safer from carbon monoxide. This is important for your safety and health. Tell your family and friends about these tips too. Stay alert. Stay safe. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.